Welcome everyone. Today, you will be talking about the fascinating world of birds. Birds are remarkable creatures, known for their beauty, diversity, and vital role in our ecosystems. In total, there are over 35,000 known species of birds, which can be classified into several groups, such as birds of prey, waterfowl, seabirds, and songbirds. Bird species are divided into two major groups: passers and non-passers. Passers are birds that have feathers, and some of them are incredibly beautiful. They include the spectacular eagles, ospreys, and vultures. Passerini birds, like parrots, can talk, and some species even have human-like faces. Avian species, such as swallows and martins, are highly social and build nests and raise their young in colonies. Non-passers, on the other hand, do not have feathers. They include the puffins, gulls, and skimmers, which are adapted to live in cold, harsh, or salty environments. Some non-passerini birds, like the ostriches and emus, are remarkable for their unique features and size. Birds have a unique method of breathing, which involves taking air in through their mouths and nostrils, and exhaling through their cloaks. This allows them to lose heat through their fur and stay warm in cold environments. Birds communicate with each other through a variety of sounds, using calls, vibrations, and body language. Some species, like the swallows, use a sophisticated vocalization system to convey messages to other members of their colony. Birds have essential roles in our ecosystems, as they help control populations of insects and small mammals. They consume a vast array of food, including fruits, seeds, and insects, which can affect the food chains and the balance of nature. In conclusion, birds are truly remarkable creatures, with their exquisite beauty, diverse adaptations, and vital roles in our world. They remind us of the incredible complexity and interconnectedness of our planet.